Just uploaded my last video now, and if you haven't watched it, link over some here. So hi guys, this is Serean. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to draw something big. Actually, my friend Roshan Sinha, he has uploaded something insane over his Instagram account with a caption, "I draw it for 7 hours straight." I also want to draw something like that, so without wasting time, let's start the video. Let's start. I have prepared some kind of this and I'll paint it. Hours, my back is just paining and but the good thing is that I've completed making outlines and I'm quite happy with the result. This is the outer view from my secondary table, and this is my second table where I have my all 10th grade books, my artworks, and a Captain America over here. And this is my main table and the art is over here, and now I'm going to color it. Drop a like if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your all friends, and I will see you soon.